I want to tell you about my beautiful office chair from Joynet. Now, this chair was provided for me to share with you, and there's so many great features. I want to tell you all about why you will love this chair. It comes in this beautiful green, a pink, a black, and a gray. It is roughly 19 by 25 by 42 inches. It has a small footprint, which I like. It's so beautiful that you won't mind having it in lots of places in your room. It is living room show worthy, but it's a very functional ergodynamic desk chair. Now look at all these great features. It has these wonderful arms here that are just the right height. You can push them up and out of the way if you want, but they can definitely be down and useful. Now look at this. This is a desk situation that I have in a showy place of my house. This is a small desk that I like because it's in my foyer and it's a beautiful spot. I can lift the arms up and I can use it very easily as a push all the way in chair. Now, it also has really nice padding features. It's a triple pad feature with a solid wood base, a sponge foam type pad, and this very cushioned fabric seat. Now, this is a beautiful fabric. It's easy to wash off should you spill on it, and it has all of these layers of depth to provide comfort and ergonomic support to your back area. Now, another feature that I really love, it has a lift here. You can go up or you can go down with this lift right under the seat. You don't even have to get up. It's easy to adjust. Look how beautiful it is in this very showy part of my foyer and the entry of my house. I love how pretty it is, and then I can lift those arms up if I choose to put it in a small space. It's also so beautifully elegant in a traditional office setting. It's a very, very nice desk chair. Gives me lots of room. It has 5 casters, so I can slide all over the place and be very comfortable. Turning around, it's great for a visitor's chair in an office as well because they can be comfortable as well. It's a beautiful chair from Joynet. I highly recommend it, and it is a very comfortable addition to my home. I can work effortlessly on my computer, and then I can also lean back and just enjoy. It's also so comfortable, you could take a nap in it and you will want to put your feet up and stay in it in a while because it's super comfortable. If you're going to spend a lot of time in an office chair, I highly recommend this one.